Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp data on your iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is open WhatsApp and go to Settings, right here at the bottom. If you are in Settings, go to Chats, so press Chats, and then scroll down until you see at the bottom clear all chats or delete all chats. So if you press on clear all chats, it will say delete your messages history on this phone and deleted all sent and received media. So if you enter your phone number, you can press clear all chats so you can free some space. It will keep your group messages intact, so don't worry about that. If you want to back up your chats just before, you can do it here. So back up and it will store it in the iCloud. And you can always bring it back. And that was how to delete your WhatsApp date on iPhone.